Hello students of class 5th. Today's presentation is for the subject science. Students, this presentation is a further explanation of chapter 1st, that is plants life, which we have discussed in our previous presentation also. Here we are going to discuss this chapter further more. So students, today we are going to discuss the dispersal of seeds. What is actually seed dispersal? The process by which seeds are scattered away from mother plant is called seed dispersal. Now you must be thinking, what is mother plant? For example, if you see a mango tree and during summers you see so many mangoes hanging on that particular tree, so that tree is the mother plant for all those seeds of the mangoes which are hanging on the tree. Okay, only those particular mangoes which are hanging on the tree, those seeds, for those seeds the tree is the mother plant. Okay, next is dispersal agents. Look students, seeds can be dispersed by wind, water, birds and animals. And all these wind, water, birds and animals are known as the dispersal agents through which seeds are dispersed. Next is seed dispersal by wind. There are some plants which have very light seeds, very light in weight seeds. Okay, these seeds also have wings or hair-like structures on their body. So when the wind blows, these seeds are carried away to distant places or to far away places. The wind carries them with itself to very far places or to distant places. We can have examples of such seeds like Maida, Hiptage and cotton. These seeds are very light-weighted and they have hair-like structures or wings that you can see on the screen also. The pictures of Maida seed, cotton seed and Hiptage seed with wings. Hiptage seed has wings. Next is seed dispersal by water. Students, you must have seen lotus and you must have seen lotus fruit also. Some of you must have seen, some of you must have not seen. So the lotus fruit has a spongy part and the coconut has thick fiber coat which make them light, very light, and enable them to float on water. They can easily float on water. Water carries these seeds from one place to another, hence these seeds are dispersed by water. On the screen you can see a lotus and then a lotus fruit and also a coconut fruit flowing or floating on the water, and then it will reach some place where it can grow. Next is seed dispersal by animals. Okay, different fruits like apple, mango, guava are eaten by animals and human beings. Okay, so after they eat the fruit, they throw away the seeds of those fruits they eat. Fine. These seeds grow into new plants at the place where they are thrown. Right, so we can give the examples like xanthium, tiger nail and spear grass have hooks or spines. They have hooks or spines on their body. These seeds stick to the bodies of animals and birds and then they are carried away from mother plant. That is, these animals and birds, when they move from one place to another, the seeds on which are stuck on their body, they also move from one place to another and then grow up in another place away from their mother plant. Next is seed dispersal by explosion. Now there are some fruits which burst open or explode when they become dry. Okay, the force of explosion helps these seeds to scatter away. When the explosion occurs, these seeds scatter away. This is called dispersal by explosion. We can give the example like poppy, pea pod and balsam seeds which gets dispersed by explosion, and I have given you the diagram also on your screen and you can see the picture of poppy seeds. Thank you students for watching the presentation. Hope you are clear with all the points discussed in this presentation. We will discuss further topics of this chapter in our next presentation. Till then, you have to do your homework and revise of everything which I have taught you. So students, stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye. Thank you so much.